Hello and welcome to Book Hogs. Today we're going to learn how to write the capital letter K. So let's begin. To write the capital letter K, draw a long vertical line. Lift your pen to draw one angled line, then take it up slightly to draw a second angled line, like this. Now let's look at some words that begin with K. K for kick. K for key. And although this letter starts with a K, the KN is actually pronounced N. N for not. K for curb. K for cart. If you enjoyed this video, click like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.